Hi friends, welcome back. In today's section, we are going to learn how to use Vlookup in two ways. Let's see. For example, we are having a policy holder details where we are going to extract policy starting date and end date with the help of this policy number. Let's see. Here we are going to enter any policy number. Perfect. Now with this number we are going to extract the policy starting date and end date and policy type. Okay. Here the formula is VLOOKUP lookup value. Select this cell, comma, table array means source table. From this table we require the data. Perfect. Comma, column index number. Which column we required? Starting date. It is here. The number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Comma, false. Close. Perfect. For this policy number, this is the starting date. In the same way, we will extract policy end date. Select this number, comma, select this table, comma, column index number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma, false. Perfect. Till now it is fine. Where we have limited of columns. Suppose we are having multiple of columns which is nearly 20, 30, 40 or 50. At that time it is very difficult to get the index number. For this we are having a good formula. Let's see. Here we will write same function. In this we have to do some changes only. We look up, select the value, comma, select the table, comma, index number. For this, at present calculate the index number for policy type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, comma, false. Okay. Now, instead of entering manual number, we will change this with the help of column number, column formula. Open bracket. So suppose we required policy type, then we have to select the headings only till the policy type. Okay, close bracket. So this formula brings the total count of this column. This is columns. Perfect. See here. Once again I will show you the formula. We look up, select this value, comma, total table array, comma, columns, columns function. Then select the till the policy type. So this function will brings the count of these columns. Close bracket, comma, false. Perfect. Hope you understood this section. If you have any doubts or queries, as always, you can use the comment box. Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time.